exercise.
This is a useful exercise for developing your six-pack. Beginning the exercise, you need to start with a high plank or push-up position. Then, pump your knees toward the front of your chest. You will burn calories, especially around your abdominal area. It can also contribute to better circulation, strengthen the heart, and lower your blood pressure.
Ten seconds left. Next exercise.
Lie on your back. Grab your opposite shoulders while crossing your arms across your chest. By bending your knees and then lift your legs off the ground. Roll forward while exhaling, lifting your abdomen off the floor while maintaining your back on it. To lift your upper body off the ground, tighten your abdominal muscles.
Ten seconds left. Rest. Next exercise.
Your arms should be at your side while you lay on the ground with your legs straight. Maintain your legs as straight as you can when you lift them up. Lift your upper back off the floor while simultaneously reaching for your toes with both hands. Hold for a little moment before lowering yourself back down.
Ten seconds left. Next exercise.
This is fantastic workout for developing your core, hip flexors, glutes, and quadriceps. Keep your hands beneath your hips before lying on your back. Keep your legs as straight as you can when raising them. Alternately up and down your legs. Keep your core tight and your lower back pressed against the floor.
Ten seconds left. Rest. Next exercise.
Lay face up on the floor with your knees bent and your feet flat. Put your hands behind your head. Crunch your chest toward the center of your abdomen while raising your head and shoulders. Take a second to breathe, then go slowly back to where you were. Prevent your head from hitting the floor.
Ten seconds left.